Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here it is. We are using Century Leadership Dashboard, and how to access this is very simple. First, you need to do what? You need to open a tab and just type Century over here, and then later on Century login आएगा. Just you need to click here. ये Century आ गया. www.century.tech, and then on the top right corner here you need to just click on login, and then when you will get this ID, it's already logged in over here, so I need to log out. Hold on a second. What I need to do, go here top right corner, in private window, click here, and now here I will type Century, www.century.tech, and then you will need to click here, top right corner, login, and now here is a login over here. Login detail. This interface will appear in front of you, so we need to do what? I am going to just erase this all address for the admin dashboard. Just erase it and type admin here, app.century.tech/admin. Enter. Now here we need to enter the password, whatever the password. Just click here, and then here is main teacher dashboard. Okay, create a class. Classes are already assigned because it is already synced with our Ames Plus. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so click on student, because one of my colleagues is asking, sir, how to change the password of the student. So it's very easy. Just click on the student name over here, in this case this one, and then simply you need to click here, change the password. So click here, and now you can change new password, confirm password, and then click on save. And you can even add the add guardians. So click on guardian, and you can add their email over here. You can add over here. So this is one way you can solve this problem. Okay, next problem I will discuss in next video. You can find in the playlist of the Century, or you can check in the description of this video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Stay blessed. Jummah Mubarak.